We have added a new functionality called Direct Ship. The new Direct Ship development will be arriving in our 2026 Release 1. In the commodity trading industry, direct delivery of commodities is commonly used, and we have provided an efficient way to handle these transactions. These deliveries never touch the trader's inventory as they are shipped from the provider and received at the customer location. We have created a way to handle the direct ship orders where everything will stay in sync and changes can be made in one area. The system generates the inbound ticket and populates the direct ship ticket number on both the inbound and outbound tickets, linking them together. First, I will show you the commodity accounting parameters. We've added details around the direct ship order. Under the tickets section, here's the direct ship orders. We've added the ability to require approvals. We also have this functionality in different areas, such as contracts. We have a parameter to enable a cancellation reason and also require that cancellation reason. And the other parameter is to require a return comment. That is when a user changes the direct ship order to a pending status, and they can enter in a comment, which will be tracked in audit history. Here under direct ship number sequence, we have added this section to create your number sequences. Also, if you didn't want all of the branches to require approval, you can set up each branch individually and require it here that way as well. The new section for the direct ship orders is under commodity accounting, direct ship orders. And here is a sample order here. As you can see, there's various different things we have added in order to ease the process flow. We can provide a way to create and maintain direct ship orders with origin, destination, weights, and grades. Origin is typically the most common, but we can have destination and we can also have both. We've provided a way for the user to process the direct ship order, which in turn creates the inbound and outbound tickets. The ability to unapply direct ship tickets from sales or purchase contracts. We have the ability to also update the direct ship order and change either the buying or selling client. As you can see here, this particular direct ship order has multiple lines with various statuses. You can see that this is a newly created open line here. This line is in a generated status, which creates both your inbound and outbound tickets. And it allows the viewing capability to look at your inbound ticket. You can see both the direct ship order link and your ticket number associated to the inbound ticket. We have the same capacity to view outbound ticket, which is linked to your direct ship order as well. This will sync in all of the details that are entered on your direct ship order, and it will save them into these tickets as well. This line here is in the recalled state. We have this option in case anyone needs to make any modifications to the direct ship order. You can recall your generated state. Also, we've got the canceled line, just in case there's a line that needs to be canceled, and then the status of invoiced. You can see here underneath the direct ship order lines, there's a few options. There is the transfer function, which this is intended to move the selected order lines to another direct ship order. We also have the convert option. This function is intended to move the order line from direct ship to inbound, which in turn that means the load or the ticket will be delivered to the client site rather than being sent to the customer. Also, there is the link loads, where you can link a load to your line. For a couple loads that have been created. Here is the section where you can add all of the fine details. You can add your origin grades or your destination grades. You can add origin weights and your destination weights. They can be added here, or you can add them in the grid above. If there are any origin samples or destination samples, you can apply them here. Any transportation details can be entered. Also, your freight details. All of this stuff is on both inbound and outbound tickets. We've added it here so it's easier. And your inventory dimensions. All of this data can be added to your direct ship order. Up top here, you can see that we do have the approval process where a user can send for approval, approve it, or return that approval, as we discussed in our commodity accounting parameters. Any details will be saved in the approval history. So these are just some of the things to mention on a high level. Functionality we've added to the direct ship orders. And again, you will see this in 2026 release 1. Thank you for your time.